We're closing on this property in Virginia Park. Rob Wilson with South Tampa Teardowns.com. We're closing on this property on Friday, and this was a seller who actually put their property for sale by owner in Zillow. And they got a lot of different responses, a lot of curiosity, some offers that were too good to be true that had some different contingencies that they didn't like, some other folks that promised offers that never actually came to fruition, and they got one of our cards in the mail. And after a fairly intensive conversation with us, we came out to the property. We got them an offer very, very quickly from one of our trusted builder partners. And here we are, a few short weeks later, and we're closing on this property in Virginia Park. So if you're looking to sell your property to a trusted builder who's going to do what they say they're going to do, give us a call. My name's Rob Wilson. I'm the Director of Dirt at Exit Bayshore Realty. I run a website called South Tampa Teardowns.com. If you'd like an offer, you can call me at 813-784-4199. If I'm helping another family, you can leave a message or also request your offer online at SouthTampaTeardowns.com. Thanks.